Hello everyone. In this video, you will see exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of text input tool in Alteryx. So this is basically the text input tool which we can find out in this input output tab. We can just drag it and drop it into the new workflow. As I have used a workflow, first workflow was being used previously, so that's why it is new workflow tool. The results you can see at the below side in the results workflow. So now what we have to do, you can find out this particular checkbox. We have to go to any of the Excel sheet. So I have kept the Excel sheet open over here. The name of this particular Excel sheet is Office Change Sales. So we have to just select this particular data. We have to select this particular data. This is nothing but a coffee chain sales data. Copy it, and we have to go to here, and this we have to control plus P. Yes. So over here 14 records are being displayed. So if you want to remove this field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, field 6. After field 6 we can remove it by deleting this header option. Go to delete and just click on delete header. So product type, product state, type, region, topic. So this is nothing but the data which is being there. So in this way you can input the data in the form of text, and you can see this in case of the configuration page. So the same data is available over here. You can see the product type, product state, type, region, and copy. This is nothing but the header, and this is nothing but the data. So the same data you can find out in the Alteryx. And if you want to add something, so we can add it. If you want to add something T, let us say any of the, say it is green tea again, California state, regular, say 150. So we can add it. So we have added one record over here, which is nothing but the 14th record. We have added this. If we want to click on this, we can again view it. So if I clicked on Control plus R, or if I clicked on this particular run button, so the result workflow will be available at the below side, and it will be showing us whatever records we have added manually in the text input tool. So that can be seen in the result workflow also. So over here you can find out that the 14 records are being displayed, and the T record which is being inputted over here, that can also be seen. So this is nothing but the data. I hope you have understood this particular video. Thanks for watching.